could you speak maybe just for a minute for my own knowledge? What is the reduced liability insurance premiums?
Yeah, that's great. We're the only one in the industry that does a DERA report. A DERA report is a detailed insurance engineered replacement appraisal. And so essentially that DERA report will, because we're providing a replacement cost, we're rebuilding that building on paper from the ground up using construction software. That's how we're able to get all the assets. And when I talk about assets, I'm talking about every copper elbow in the plumbing behind the wall. I'm talking about the light switch plate covers. I'm talking about every Ethernet outlet. I'm talking about every single ounce of anything in that property we're breaking out. And Eric can attest to that in our detailed reports. When we're rebuilding that building and we're saying, hey, if we're going to rebuild this building today and today's value, what would that cost? You now have the ability to take that replacement cost to your insurance company and say, this is what the value of it would be for insurance purposes. Insurance companies don't want you to know that there are certain assets that in that building that are not covered under insurance. Like your foundation, for instance, will never be covered under insurance. The utilities under the ground, they'll never be covered under insurance. So you need to extract the value of the foundation and those utilities under the ground from the value or the total replacement cost, not just the land, because you don't want to pay tax or pay insurance on certain assets that aren't even ever going to be recovered. So you want to delineate that and know what that is. So on average, our reports, because we give you a DERA report, that will actually give you the replacement cost that you could take to your insurance company and say, this is a certified engineered based study that proves that, you know, you can reduce my replacement cost and I'm only paying premiums on that. The higher that replacement cost is, the more premiums you pay. So this is a perfect example of doing a cost seg study and as a result of that. So we include those in all of our reports as well.
Wow, that's fascinating. I have some homework to do.